recording.
Oh, we are.
Lauren's gonna take a photo of us. Oh wait.
Here they come. Jonathan going into his turns, looking quite accomplished. And the hockey stop. I would expect you to know the hockey stop. All right. Good job. Look at this view we have. Very accomplished. Here comes the Sixers. All right, Lauren. Yeah. Room to roam. You guys start. Looking good, John. Pizza, anyone? There you go. Good stop. Nice hockey stop. Yeah.
At the Sunnyside Express.
I like this carpet they have down here. All right. A little cushy. Huh?
So I want to try and find that damn black route. I feel like we just have a hot space and miss it every time.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm doing badly.
That is judgmental, but it's should go on the left.
Okay, we'll go.
Let's go left, y'all. You use the chair to like push you off. Yeah, you can move that.
Good job, Lauren. And now I'll slide.
Yeah, make it
This
slow
way.
run.
I'll make the decision whether you're on your own or not.